And your name?
My name is Nomalanga Shongwe.
And what do you do?
I'm looking for the kids. I've opened a daycare center in 1999. I've started with 13 kids when I started the center, and I started the center with nothing. I didn't have nothing in my hands. Only I got it was a knowledge, and they were eating what I was eating. And my husband brought me some boards to do the crash, and I do the crash with the boards, 1.5 room with the boards there. Then the children, I started to look the kids from 3 months up until to 6 years. We cater them with food 3 meals per day, and I have 4 people who are helping me, and they have to. The salary I must pay them on top of the money that the children are paying. Each kid pay 120 per month. It's 120 that they are paying for the month, and they have to eat on top of that money. I have to pay the teachers, and I have to pay to buy the stationery on top of the money, because we are preparing the kids to go to school so that they could be ready to go to school when they are going to school.
And what's your greatest need here?
My greatest needs, I just need a place where I can build a place, a secure place, because here we see it's too small for them. Some learning materials for them, the jungle gyms. I don't have anything, some the activities, I don't have something that for them, and the space is too small for them, and now there are too many, and I can't manage to feed them.
And how many kids do you have now?
Now there are 59 now.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And, if you had 3 wishes of anything, what would they be?
My first wish, it's a secure place for the kids. A secure place, a neat place, some activity things, such as the jungle gyms, the toys for the kids, because they don't have the toys either, because I can't buy the toys. My third wish is to help those who are not able to come to crash, and those who are needy. There are kids who are needy, depend on their ground here, and so I would really like to help me on those things. Firstly, it's a place for them. Then I will say thanks to God, because my first wish is a place for my kids, only because I love the kids. I love them very much, so it's only that I don't have any power to do those things, all of those things. I love working with kids. 8 years, from these 8 years that I've worked with them, I really enjoy working with them.
Okay. Thanks.